Welcome to the Investing Podcast presented by Tusk Media. The final bell has rung and the market is now closed. So let's move on to an audio and video recap with the Investing Happy Hour.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the Investing Podcast presented as always by Tusk Media. This is the Investing Happy Hour. Special shout out to those people watching live on our Periscope feed. It'll be up for 24 hours if you're listening to the recording or watching on YouTube. Check it out. We do it every Thursday at around 4:15. Really special episode today because we do have a cup sponsor. We do this if you work for a corporate entity or even just have like a mug with your last name on it or even your first name and you want us to promote you or your company. Send us a coffee mug. We've had Yeti cups that were pretty awesome. We've had lots of coffee mugs. Today we've got this. Team Valor, the Pokemon hunting team, sent us this. They wanted us to use this and kind of promote them. So thanks to Team Valor. Of note, myself, Benjamin Nye, Samuel Frost, Matthew Burton, some of the most esteemed employees at Narwhal Capital Management are all members of Team Valor. So excited to be there. It's interesting how great we are at the game. And there's a blue team. I can't remember what their team name even is, but they're not very good. That's where all the interns play. It's hilarious. So they try. It's cute when they get together and play. But thanks to Team Valor, happy to be a part of that team. If you want a custom Team Valor cup, go to our website, tusk-media.com, and we'll do a blog post on how you can make one. It keeps warm beer warm. Let's talk about the markets. Interesting day. Dow was down 9 basis points. S&P was up 16 basis points. NASDAQ also up. NASDAQ's on a tear, folks, up 30 basis points today. Global Dow down 16 basis points. Gold up 68 basis points. So almost a really nice day there for gold. Oil down 1.98%. Trading at $41.08 per barrel. It's crazy. The thing just keeps bleeding down. I hope it stops at some point. We would appreciate that. We like cheap gas. But we like our oil investments to have a little wind behind their sails, so to speak. Couple of companies of note. Ford, Austin hit on this. I thought he did a good job talking about it. At lunchtime, absolutely whooped. Stock was down more than 8% today. Nobody likes to see that. If you're an owner of Ford stock, we happen to own some for our clients. Sincere apologies, folks, but we still like the company. We're going to continue to look at it, talk about it probably today, reevaluate the story, but it was down pretty sizably, down about 8% today. TAP rallied a little bit. It was up 5% today. You may have seen this yesterday. There was rumors that the SAB Miller and AB InBev deal was being halted. Everything in the beer world went into kind of a free fall. TAP fell more than 5%. It got some of that back today. Nice little 5% gain, so happy to see that. Google released earnings, pretty strong numbers. They didn't have a super optimistic outlook, but they beat expectations. You may remember back in April, they missed, and the stock fell really quickly. I think it was like 16 or 17% like that. It was just kind of a blip. But today they beat. Stock is up between 2 and 3%. So, solid day for Google. Big story. Big story for the day. It's July 28th. I want to talk to you guys, want to get serious for a little bit. Talk about this fella right here, Harambe. Passed 2 months ago. Scotty Valiani, our intern, is wearing a t-shirt in tribute to him. I've got a t-shirt on the way in tribute to him. I can't reveal a lot of our plans, and this is actually serious, but we have some really awesome and permanent plans in place to commemorate Harambe's life here on the Investing Podcast, and we're really excited about that. And I can't say a whole lot about what that means. Scotty knows what it's about. Several of us know. Austin does not. There's certain things that are beyond Austin's pay grade, and the Harambe Memorial is one of them. So he doesn't know about it yet, but you all will know within the next couple weeks. We're really excited about it. But I think it's important to think about Harambe, his life, and especially the end of his life. I do think it was an inside job, but that's neither here nor there. We're not going to waste time on conspiracy. But when you think about Harambe and what he has done, he's gone to heaven, right? That fella's up there in the clouds looking down. But I'll be darned if the stock market hadn't done the exact same thing since his passing. When he passed away, May 27th was the last trading day before his untimely death. You know, it was fitting that there was no stock trading the day that Harambe's life was prematurely ended. Everything stood still, including the market. It was a Saturday. But since his time of death, I think it's interesting to note the S&P 500 up 3.4%. Despite Brexit, the Herexit has rallied through. The Harambe exit remains the story of the summer. The Dow up 3.3%. The NASDAQ just ticking on up 4.5%. Harambe has literally pulled this stock market up this summer. We're grateful for that. Our clients are grateful for that. Again, it's not something that you would want. It's not how I would write the script. But Harambe, thanks for all you continue to do for the market. Y'all have a great evening. We will be back tomorrow with the morning market mimosa. We're going to hit you with a stock market power lunch. It's Friday, so unless something goes really, really off the rails, we're not going to be here for investing happy hour. But have a great night. We will talk to you soon.
Tusk Media is a subsidiary of Narwhal Capital Management. Ratings and reviews of Tusk Media content are not to be construed as endorsements of opinions, analysis, or services offered by Tusk or its parent company. The opinions and predictions shared here are our professional beliefs at the time of publication. We are not under duress from any of the corporate entities mentioned. This is not a solicitation to take any particular action. Although we are investment advisors, this information should not be considered investment, legal, or tax advice. We strive to be as impartial, insightful, and accurate as possible. We base our opinions, analysis, and calculations on information we believe to be reliable, but we cannot guarantee its accuracy. We can, however, guarantee that our opinions will sometimes be flat out wrong due to a variety of factors. Employees and clients of Narwhal Capital Management may or may not hold positions in the securities detailed and may or may not hold these positions in the future. A full list of all securities purchased, sold, or held during the 12 months preceding the date of this publication can be provided upon request. Unless otherwise noted, all data accessed via MarketWatch or the Bloomberg terminal. Past performance does not guarantee future results. A copy of Narwhal's Form ADV is available at the SEC's website, www.advisorinfo.sec.gov, or from Narwhal upon written request.